Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Today we have a unique opportunity for the discerning investor. Whether you are living locally or overseas, this is one property that you should not overlook. This massive 19 bedroom, 19 bathroom property is located in Paradise Acres, Montego Bay. It is less than 7 minutes from the Sangsters International Airport and is ideal for short term rentals. This four-story building has 16 ensuite bedrooms, 3 helpers' quarters with 3 additional bathrooms, 2 kitchens, AC in all bedrooms, security system, and a roof lounge with jacuzzi where one can enjoy the most amazing views of the city of Montego Bay. The land area of this property is 6,000 square feet and it is fully fenced, grilled, and it is centrally located with truly great income earning potential. The asking price of this property is Jamaican 60 million or US $382,600. Now, let's take a look at this Montego Bay property and please leave your comments so that we can know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.